Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna discuss breaking of singleton with serialization. Okay, so what is singleton and what are the different way we can create a class as a singleton? Already I have made some videos and I will add those links in the description section. You can watch them as well. So today's video we're gonna see how we can break a singleton class with serialization, and we will see how to prevent that one as well. So this is a very important interview question, and lot of time interviewer will ask to freshers as well as experienced persons. Okay, before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side. Okay, so here if you'll see a lot of videos are there, Git, Microservices, Java 8, CRUD application, and a lot of other videos are there. Okay, so if you're interested, you can watch them as well. Okay, so let's jump into today's discussion. Okay, so ideally singleton class is a way that we can have a single instance or single object of that particular class. Okay, so whenever we'll make the singleton class as a serializable, or we are serializing that class, so while deserializing that one again, we'll get a different object. Okay, so let me open my IntelliJ IDEA. So if you'll see, this is my singleton class where dateutil is a utility class, and here I have taken a constructor as a private so that no one can access, and here I have provided a public static method so that by accessing this method we will get the object. Okay, so now let's see. First we'll serialize and then we'll deserialize. Okay, so serialization means converting that object into a output stream, and we can store that output stream into one file, or else we can transfer that on over network. Okay, so here what I am doing, first I have get the object dateutil by calling this dateutil get instance. If you see here, this public method, I'm calling this get instance. Okay, so here we'll get a object of this dateutil. Okay, then what I am doing here, I am storing this object, I am storing my object into a file. Okay, so I am converting this object into a output stream, and then I am storing this output stream into a file. Okay, so if you'll see here, new object output stream, and here new file output stream, and here I have provided a file. Okay, so users Rajan singleton and singleton.txt, one file I have provided. So in this file we are going to save our object as a output stream. Okay, so once we have done this process, which is known as serialization, then what we need to do, we will read that one, or we will deserialize that one. Okay, the same way, it's object input stream, and then we are reading that object, that read object. Okay, and we are typecasting this one, and we are taking into a variable instance 2. Okay, so instance 1 is already there, and then we have serialized this one by calling write object. Okay, into a file it will store. Let me full screen this one, and then what I am doing, I am reading this one, I am reading from that same file. Okay, now let's run this one, and I will show you there will be two different objects. So instance 1 and instance 2, these are not same. Okay, both will be different. So here we have break the singleton, because singleton means at any point of time there should be only one object, but now we do have two objects of a singleton class. Okay, Now let's run and we're gonna see. Okay, so let's wait and see the output. Let's see. IntelliJ idea is taking time always, I don't know. Yes, so if you'll see here, the hash code of instance 1 is 1173230247, but again hash code of instance 2 is 2129789493. So if you'll see here, we are getting two different objects. Okay, so their hash codes are different. Okay, so here we have break the singleton. Okay, lot of interview they will ask how we can break the singleton. So there are different ways are there to break the singleton. So serialization is one way. By serializing this singleton class, we can break the singleton. Okay, so now let's see how we can prevent this one. Okay, so if your singleton class is serializable, and while deserialization, how we can prevent this one. Even if in deserialization also we should get the same object. Okay, so for that one we need to write a read read resolve method. Okay, so this method will executed once once our once the deserialization is completed. Okay, once the deserialization is completed, then this method will execute. So while this method will execute, if you want, you can return the same instance of that class. Okay, so this is part of serialization, and if you want more idea, you can go through the serialization read resolve method, what exactly it does. So this read resolve method will execute once our deserialization process is done. Okay, then it's your choice. If you want, you can return a new object, whatever we got in deserialization, or whatever the existing object is there, you can return. So specially this is for, I mean, preventing this singleton. Okay, so here what we are returning, the existing one, the existing instance we are returning here. Okay, now let's see, and we'll run the same uh, code, and we'll see whether we are getting same object or different object. Okay, so hope you got a idea that read resolve method. Okay, now let's go to this main method, main class. Earlier both those objects are different. Okay, now let's run and we're gonna see. Run main method. Okay, so interview they will ask how to prevent singleton, I mean how to prevent the serialization concept in singleton. Okay, how to prevent the breaking of singleton class in serialization. Okay, so if you'll see here, both those hash codes 1173230247 and same 1173230427. Okay, so hope you got a crystal idea that how to prevent breaking of singleton in serialization. Okay, so you need to say we need to put read resolve method, and we need to return the same instance of that class. Okay, this is very popular interview question, and just remember that one. Okay, so hope you got a crystal idea. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you have any feedback, you can provide your feedbacks in the comment section. Have a nice day.